Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosas Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are dragging uMakhadzi ngemva kokuthi the Matorokise hitmaker ahambe aye lapha ku-Twitter ayothi ufisa ukuthi ngazuthi abantu bangamqolela ku-Scott Maphuma, and selesithulu celebrities sibona zamaqolisela uScott, even who's that guy Black Coffee did try ukuthi amqolisele naye lapha ku-Twitter, abantu bamhlafuna ini uthi uMakhadzi lapha ku-Twitter, at some points I felt like apologizing on Scott Maphuma behalf, because okay guys, anyway sicelela asiyekeleni English because siyamati shem ukuthi seswethu yabo, okay, because I realized he was just excited and forgot people who streamed his music, including me. I am his fan, beats, but I was disappointed. I'm glad he came back to his senses. We love him. Bantu bathi ha usho bani tibale wena gele, bathi wena mbukhe wena if ufila ngazuthi uScott umuntu right, ba uthi lona he was bashing English yakhe wathi I will forgive Scott Maphuma, not uScott yabo. So uthi sign yena wesipart celebrities bayamncengela but he doesn't care. Uthi Constant Masilo, our mission continues. So uthi Millie Rocker, let's forgive him, we love his music anyway and I'm sure he has learned. So some people do believe ukuthi man, I deserve a second chance. Now Scott Maphuma, he's human when they'll put her, and the fact that we are born put her like asemqolile in South Africa, but there are people who are saying ukuthi never iconahali. This person said ukuthi we must give him space, and we are doing just that. It's right. Thina la sikhona laba nje bathi ngasifake endzabeni tenu, if nina nifuna ukumqolela mqolele nodwa kuScott, thina nje cha astingeni asihlangani. This guy usikhombele ukuthi has just so ungrateful, akana dank uqanga ukuthi la ukhona because of magic. No, ula khona because of us, and sifuna kumkhomba ukuthi if angayehlisi pride, like has not going anywhere, and his career will soon die because thina ngeke si attend ma events la kona Scott Maphuma khona. Guys, yabona nini niyakwati kuyishubisa. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.